Hey everyone, I hope you enjoy this purple eye halo tutorial. Don't forget to moisturize before you prime. Today I'm using Bare Minerals Prime Time and applying with a small stippling brush from e.l.f. and getting it all over my face and neck. And then I'm going to apply NYX eyeshadow base in white with my finger on my eyes. Then using the MAC 230 brush, I'm going to apply Buon Fresco from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette and pat it right into my crease. Then using a Sephora Pro Airbrush crease brush, I'm going to blend everything out, making sure I have no harsh lines and starting my eye shape that I'm looking for. Using this same MAC 230 brush from Modern Renaissance, I'm going in with Love Letter and blending out to create a nice pink purple eye color in my crease and in my inner corner. Then using that same Sephora brush, I'm going to take Urban Decay eyeshadow and Flash and add it to my outer crease and inner eye and blend out to create a nice purple color. And then I'm going to clean up the top of my eye shape with a MAC 230 brush and a little Love Letter again. I'm applying Stila liquid metallic eyeshadow in Kitten to the center of my eye and tapping it out to create my halo eye, and blending it out with Flash to make sure I have no harsh lines. I add Vermeer to my brow bone because all brow bones should sparkle. I like to clean up my eye shape and all of my fallout with makeup remover pads, and then apply my Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Moisturizer with an e.l.f. stippling brush, and then blend it out with a Sephora brand sponge, which I don't normally do, but my brushes are still wet from cleaning, so trying something new. Then I take Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light neutral and add it into my highlighted areas and blend out with the Sephora sponge. And I set with Maybelline Fit Me powder in light with my MAC 120 brush. And then I spill it absolutely everywhere. It's okay. Dust more often, try again. Then I take Hoola bronzer from Benefit and add it into my contour bronzer areas. I like to make a shape of a 3 and then blend it out from there. And today I'm using NARS Orgasm blush. Great color, I'm nearly out of it though. Using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in Caramel and using an angled brush side of the Duo Shaping Eye Brush from Bare Minerals, I fill in my eyebrows, starting at the bottom and working my way up. And then starting out and then working in. I'm still pretty new at my eyebrows, so if you have any tips for me, be sure to add them in the comments. And then I set my brows with Anastasia Tinted Brow Gel in Caramel again. Today I'm using Kevin Aucoin Mascara in black. I'm enjoying it so far. I really like the shape of the mascara wand. It's fun to play with. If you notice, I like to roll the wand to curl my lashes instead of using a lash curler. For me, it's more effective. I'm going in with e.l.f. eyeliner in jet black to create my cat eye. Short strokes, moving in short strokes and then longer towards the ending process. The more you do it, the more you get the hang of it. Taking a MAC lip pencil in Cyber World, I line my outer lip and fill in. And then using Violetta amplified lipstick from MAC, I go ahead and fill in my bright purple lip that I'm going for. Absolutely love this color, can't get enough. Deciding if I really want to wear this all day, decide yes, and I add on my lashes from Eyelur, number 150. Check myself out for a hot minute. Yeah, girl. And then I take the other side of my Duo Shaping Eye Brush from Bare Minerals, and I add in Flash and Love Letter under my eyes. Then for highlight today, I'm taking Fenty in the color Starstruck, and I'm adding it to my cheekbones, nose, and upper lip. And it gives me life all day. And then I add in Shag Buttercream Lip Gloss from Bare Minerals, take down my hair, and I'm ready to go. Thanks everyone for watching this eye tutorial. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you like, share, subscribe, tell your friends. Thanks for watching.